In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project cost estimate in QuickBooks Online. Navigating QuickBooks might initially seem a bit daunting, but with a little guidance, you'll soon find it to be a powerful tool for managing your business finances accurately. Let's dive right in. First things first, when you're on your QuickBooks Online dashboard, take a look at the left panel. This pane is essentially your control center and toolkit, providing you swift access to all the features you might need. From here, go ahead and click on Projects. Projects in QuickBooks Online enable you to manage everything related to a particular project in one centralized place. This includes transactions, time, costs, and even project profitability. Once you've clicked into the Projects area, your screen should display a list of all your ongoing and past projects. Next, look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see a small symbol, often referred to as a caret icon. This icon might not seem significant at first glance, but it holds the key to accessing various advanced project options. Click on this caret icon. After clicking the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From the options available, you need to select Project Estimate. Estimates are instrumental in budget management, as they help you anticipate costs and make informed financial decisions. With Project Estimate selected, you'll be prompted to start adding the products and services that are part of your project estimate. Here, you should include every product and service that your project will require. Break down costs as granularly as needed. This might include material costs, labor, and any other relevant fees. Being comprehensive in this step ensures that your estimate reflects the true cost of your project, reducing the chances of unexpected expenses later on. Once you've entered all the necessary products and services, take a moment to review your entries for accuracy and completeness. This quick step can save you headaches later on, ensuring your project is on the right financial track. When you're satisfied that everything is in order, go ahead and click on Save. And just like that, you've successfully created a project cost estimate in QuickBooks Online. This simple process can make a significant difference in your project's financial management, giving you a clear sense of predicted expenses before the work even begins. Estimates are not only about foreseeing costs, they're about ensuring efficient spending and maximizing your project's profitability. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. QuickBooks is a robust tool. Learning to utilize features like project estimates can elevate your financial management to new heights. Keep practicing, and soon these actions will become second nature. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to assist.